Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth product analyses. Today, we're diving into something every plant enthusiast will appreciate, the window garden fiber soil. Let me tell you, this is hands down one of the best fiber soils available in the market right now. Whether you're new to indoor gardening or a seasoned pro, finding the right soil can make all the difference. The window garden fiber soil is designed to revolutionize your indoor gardening experience. What sets this product apart? Well, let's break it down. First off, it's incredibly lightweight, which makes handling and storing it a breeze. No more lugging around heavy bags of traditional soil. Plus, it's formulated with organic fibers that not only provide excellent aeration but also prevent root rot, a common issue with traditional potting soils. This means your plants stay healthier and thrive longer. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Unlike messy traditional soils, this fiber soil comes in convenient 1-quart bags. Each bag expands when hydrated, giving you just the right amount of soil for your plants. It's so simple to use, just add water, watch it expand, and you're ready to plant. No more dealing with clumps of soil or dusty messes. Sustainability matters, and Window Garden gets it right. Their fiber soil is peat-free, renewable, and reusable. It's a choice you can feel good about, reducing your environmental footprint while nurturing your indoor garden. Don't just take my word for it. This product has garnered rave reviews from gardeners worldwide. People love how it extends the life of their plants and simplifies their gardening routine. So, if you're looking to take your indoor gardening to the next level, I highly recommend giving Window Garden fiber soil a try. It's practical, it's effective, and it's eco-friendly, everything you could ask for in a planting soil. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!